So this is actually a new model of tent that we're going to be trying out, and it's super easy. You could do it in a few minutes. I'll get up here and release these, what do you call these, carabiners? And I'll just put it back on there so that we don't lose it. And then the same for the other side. I'm just gonna unlatch it, bring this down. It releases it at the bottom. Next, I'm just gonna push this up. Kind of just comes down by itself. We'll have these two, it's important. Put it aside so it doesn't get in the way of anything. There's an elastic up here that you want to bring down. Over here, you'll see a ladder. I'm just gonna bring that closer to myself. I'm gonna go up here and just pull it down towards me. So this might be a bit long. We want the ladder to act as a kind of a base so that everything is stable. So I could shorten it by just pressing these inside and bringing it like so. I'm going to release the front of our tent like so. From these at the side. Underneath here, this is as far as we go in terms of tent poles. Push it out of its housing. Be careful not to break the windows. But that seems obvious, so it's always worth mentioning. I'll take it out here and I'll insert it over here. So you'll see an eyelet over here at the top. So bring this around and just put it through there. Don't put it through the elastic, but the eyelet. And we'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so in the tent, you will find a panel which gives you some good lighting. There is one for a warmer tone, and on the other side you'll have something a bit more clinical, if that's what you prefer. Above it there is a cylinder, and if we remove these rubber caps, on this side you'll see that there are 2 USB ports. And on the other end, you will see like a 12-volt car charger that you usually see up the front, in your vehicle. So yeah, there are also a few pockets here for you to keep your valuables, anything you don't want to have down in the car, anything that would be useful for a restful night. In your vehicle, you'll usually find one of these, and this is where what the bedding comes in. So you'll have some blankets, a couple of pillows. So a really cool thing about this particular tent is that you don't have to pack all of that back in after you've had your rest. You'll notice that there's actually a bit of a space here. The mattress doesn't go all of the way. So what you can do is simply like roll it up or make this really small and pack it into the space back here. Like pack it nice and snug into the space, and I'll do the same for the side. Obviously you'll do a much cleaner job of this. We'll pack it in nice and snug. And this allows you to pack up your tent and close it without having to like repack and then unpack all your bedding. So the next time you come up here, all you have to do is roll it out and you're good to go.